If you just got a brand new phone and you want to transfer your WhatsApp messages to it, thankfully the company provides quite a few different ways of actually migrating your chats over to your new device. But first off, let's see how to actually back everything up so it doesn't disappear along the way. Once you're in WhatsApp, you want to go into those three dots in the top right, just like this, and from there go into your settings. Once you are there, you want to go into the chats option and then go on to chat backup, which will be near the bottom of this menu. Once you are there, that nice big green button in the middle will allow you to back everything up to your Google Drive. Now the process is pretty much identical on iPhone, apart from the user interface looking a bit different, and of course you're backing up to iCloud instead of Google Drive. Then head back to the chats menu, and at the bottom you also see the transfer chats option. So if you go into there, it will guide you through the process and give you a QR code, which you have to then scan with the other device, which will then transfer everything over to your brand new phone. However, you can also get everything back from the cloud as well. If you have done a backup, when you actually start entering your phone number into your brand new device, a message will pop up telling you that you can restore from a backup, which you can then accept, and all of your messages and chats will also come in from that as well. Now you can also do it without using the cloud whatsoever by just getting the local file with the backup from WhatsApp. So here's exactly what the file directory for that looks like. So first you want to go into your files, which in the case of Samsung and Android is just called My Files, but again, depending on what operating system you're using, it will have a slightly different name and icon. Tap into there, and then you want to head into your main storage. Once you are there, click on your operating system, so in this case Android, then into Media, and then scroll down until you see WhatsApp. So there it is. From there, you're going to click on that again, and then head into Backups. And as you can see, the latest one is right here. From then on, you can just take all those files to your brand new device, and it will use that to carry over all your chats as well as any kind of settings you may have had on the previous version of the app on your old phone. So those are all of the main ways that you can transfer your chats over to a brand new phone over on WhatsApp. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.